Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the touchscreen not responding on your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and remove the screen protector or case because it can cause the interference, and let me explain why. Now, removing the case, if it's made out of a bad dummy phone, if it's covering a bit too much of the screen, more than it should, then that's a good idea. Now for the screen protector, if it's just poorly applied, if it's misaligned, or if it's just not fitting right onto your screen, as you guys can see, mine is definitely not fitting, but still I do not have any problems with my touchscreen, then that's a good reason to remove it and replace it with the original one. Now, what you guys can do is clean the screen with a microfiber cloth, so you're getting rid of any moisture, any debris, or anything, even your fingerprints. So, you just swipe it a couple of times, and your phone looks brand new. Make sure to not go too hard on the device, and if you're just going too hard, then I hope you do not crack it. Now, as you guys can see, our device is shiny and clean, and after that, what we can do is we can just force restart our phone to refresh the system. So to force restart this device, what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the power button first to go over here. Now press the volume up and the power button and keep on holding it. So now keep on holding those two buttons and soon our screen should go black. As you guys can see, this is what happens, and it's normal because it's just a glitch. Now as you guys can see, everything is fine. We can let go of our keys now, and if we do not see the Google logo appearing in the next 5 seconds, so right about now, we just hold the power button. So as you guys can see, now we will see the logo, and we should be able to get into our device. So this process is always taking this long. It's normal, and I expected it to be 5 seconds because every single forced restart I did on this device was between 5 to 10 seconds, but this is taking definitely too long, so I'll just see you guys whenever the logo appears. So as you guys can see, after a while it's appearing. Now our phone is turning back on. So as you guys can see, what you saw on the screen, the little pixel part, it was a glitch. So it's normal if it also happens to you, as I've said before. Now as you guys can see, after the restart, we refreshed our entire system, and now if our touchscreen is still not responding very well, then we can update our software. So it's very important to do so. Go over to the settings, and here in the settings we want to go over and scroll down to system. Now in the system we have the software updates, so click on it and then click on system update. As you guys can see, I have an update available, but my battery is just too low, and it's also in the power saving mode, so that's why I cannot do it. Now, this update fixes critical bugs and improves the performance and stability of your device. So as you guys can see, this update can fix any crucial thing, including the touchscreen not responding, and that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.